Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had a plan. He always did. And He designed it, because Allah does things always in the most beautiful of ways. Sometimes when a person feels really down and things are really dark, just hold on, because that's normally the time when Allah shows who He is. You think I'd lost you? You think I'd forgotten all about you? You think I was going to leave you in the dark? أَلَمْ يَجِدَكَ يَتِيمًا فَآوَى. Did He not find you an orphan and He brought you in? Did He not take care of you? وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًا فَهَدَى. And He found you wandering, فَهَدَى. And He guided you close. That's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You got to fall in love with Allah. We need to be lovers. There's no time just to be kind of a half-baked Muslim anymore. You gotta give it your all, because anything else is just a waste of time.